Marmalead Review 2025 Features, Pricing, Pros and Cons. In this video, I'm going to show you the full overview of the Marmalead Review in 2025.
So to get started, Marmalead is a keyword and market research tool built specifically for Etsy shops. It helps you find high-performing keywords, analyze competition, and optimize your product listings based on real-time Etsy shopper behavior. Let's start with features. Marmalade offers keyword research, tools, engagement metrics, seasonality tracking, pricing suggestions, and listing scores. It also gives insight into where your listings rank and how you compare to top sellers in your niche. As for pricing, Marmalade offers a monthly plan of $19 per month or $15 per month if billed annually. There's no free plan, but they do offer a free trial. Pros, it's beginner friendly, accurate, and integrates seamlessly with your Etsy workflow. It's great for discovering new niche or improving visibility. The cons, it's a bit expensive for small shops and its UI could use some improvements. Still, if you're using serious about growing on Etsy, Marmalade is a solid investment. And that's my full review of Marmalade for 2025.